Hello everyone, welcome back to EcomSutra. Today I'm going to show you how to import bulk product reviews to your Shopify store. So this is the product on our store where you can see there is no rating, right? And there is no product reviews. And I'm going to add 2 reviews to this product manually. Okay. And you can add multiple reviews for multiple products for your Shopify store. And for this process, we will be using Loox. So let's go to Loox. Okay. Now from here, let's go to reviews and then go to import review section. Now here you have 3 ways to import reviews. Now if you are AliExpress merchant, then you can use this process, but we are going to skip this process for now. Next is like if you have been already using Shopify product review apps like these apps, then you can use this process to import the reviews from those apps to Loox. You just have to select the app and then upload the CSV file that you will be exporting from those apps. Okay, so let's skip this as well. It's very simple. It's not a big game. The next is the import from Spreadsheet. Now this is something that you will need if you are migrating a store from other platforms to Shopify, or if you want to add some manual reviews to the products on your store. So let's start. So first of all, click on this copy template file, which will basically give you a template of how you can add your product reviews in an Excel sheet, on a Google sheet. Okay, so this is basically the template where you first have to enter your product handle, rating, author, the customer name, I think, the email, and the body. Body is basically the review part, the created date, the review date you can add, then the photo URL. If you want to add a photo review for that specific product, then you will have to enter the URL of that photo review. And then there's a verify process. If you want to mark the review as a verified, then you can mark it. Okay, so now here we will add 2 reviews, one with photo and another with just text. Okay, so let's see how it appears. So first of all, let's go to product handle. So what is product handle? So let's go to the template instruction and see what does the product handle mean. Okay, now the product handle which is required, it means the last part of the product URL. Okay, so let's go to our product, and this is the last part of the product, and this is basically the product handle. Okay, so let's copy it and let's go to our template. Okay, so let's enter this. Now how much rating I want to give? I want to give 5 rating to this t-shirt, and this is reviewed by Rahul, and the email is rahul@.com, and the review is like amazing product, loved it. Okay, and the review date, let's select the date to. Okay, now if you want to add a photo URL, you will have to go to your admin again and then go to content, then files. Now here you will see all the images, all the product images that you have uploaded. Then now here you will have to upload your the image that you want to include in the photo review. Okay, so let's upload one. So this is the customer that wore this t-shirt. This is basically the Rahul's photo. Okay, for the review. Now the photo is uploaded. Now just copy the link and let's go back to the template and add the URL. Okay, now mark it. Okay, let's make some changes. Okay, now let's mark it true, and now let's delete this. Okay, delete this row, and let's copy this. Let's mark it 4 rating. It's by Rajesh, and it's by Rajesh at rh.com. Feels comfortable, nice t-shirt. Okay, let's do this. Let's add a review to for this to 1. Okay, and let's leave this photo URL section blank and let's mark it false. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so okay, so basically now we have two reviews for this t-shirt product. One by Rahul, another is Rajesh, and one has the photo review, another is the only the text, and another is the verified purchase, while other is not. Okay, so this is all. Now similarly you can add all the product handles that you want and the reviews like this only, and then once you are done, just go to download and download as CSV file. Okay, once downloaded, go back to your Shopify admin and then just click the upload template file and upload the file. Okay, now your file is uploaded and they will send you an email notification once the process is complete. Okay, so let's wait for a while. So that's my email notification and the process is complete. So let's go to manage reviews and see. So basically they have imported only one review. I don't know why, but let's go to the product and let's refresh it. So basically now you can see there is one rating with on average rating of 4, and when you scroll down you will see this. Okay, so now let's go back to the template again and let's make some changes, like why they have not. Okay, I think it's a red mark. I think it's the future date it was added. So let's make some changes. Okay, so it's now it's 23rd August and let's download it again. Okay, now let's go back to our import review section and let's upload that file again. Okay, so this is one. Now again let's wait for the email notification. Yeah, that's the notification. Now let's go to manage reviews, and yes, now we have a review by Rahul as well with the photo. Okay, so now let's go back to the product and let's refresh this page. Now we have 3 reviews. Okay, so basically they have imported the review by Rajesh twice, so let's ignore it for now. And now we have 3 reviews, 2 by Rajesh and 1 by Rahul, and the verified one is marked by verified. So yeah, this is how you can basically import reviews for every product on your store using Loox. It's simple, right? It's very simple. Many of our readers and subscribers get confused with how to use this template, and it's very simple, right? And if you get any confusion, then you can just refer to this instruction and it will be all good. So yes, that's all for the day, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.